Hey guys, it's Charnie with Real Broker here in Ocala. I wanted to show you the progress that my client's house has made since I've started showing you the whole process. So if you're away and you want to do the same thing, I would be happy to be your agent. This was on June 25th that I passed by because permits were taking a little longer and we really wanted to start with this building, and they finally started. I passed by to show my client who's in Maryland, to show her that hey, they started building and this is where they are. So if this is something you want to do while you're away, you may not do it like her. Like I even chose the lot for her, kind of. She trusted me that much. So if you don't want to do that, that's fine, but I can be the eyes and ears for you while your house is being built. And then this right here was in July 1st. I passed by and they clearly started building more and more. They had blocks going up and we were so happy. The house was taking shape beautifully. Then I passed by again. This was in July 14th when I passed by, and they had the house looking like a house already. Amazing, beautiful. Then I went after that too because there was a walkthrough and I had to be there at the walkthrough for her because she's not here, like I said. So I had to be the eyes and ears for her, and that was at drywall when we did the walkthrough, which I don't have a video of right here in this progression video that I'm showing you. So yeah, it was just a little built up, more built up than what you're seeing here. And then this is now.
So you guys, this is my client's house. You remember that I posted a video about it not too long ago, and now it is almost done. They still have sod to install and things to do inside, I'm sure, but look how beautiful it looks already. And also, I wanted to tell you guys, if you've been looking to move to Calesa, especially people with kids who've been wanting to move in here, especially for the kids to take advantage of being in their amazing school that they have in here, but you are not qualified to buy the single houses because they are a little pricey. Right now, right over there, they are building townhomes right now, and they will be under $300,000. You cannot beat that, especially to live in such a beautiful and upscale community. The townhomes are going to be really nice, very nice. They're going to have 3-bedroom ones with 2-car garage, etc., based on what I've heard. So yeah, but look at that. My client's home is looking like a home already. It is gorgeous. I love it. They probably will not allow me to go inside because it's being built. It's a construction site. But man, look at this. Look at this. Just beautiful. Yes, it's looking like a home. Thank you. Take a look at this. Look at the gorgeous tray ceilings. Ooh, the kitchen, everything. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. So I'm going to send that to her so she can see her house. It's becoming a house. Look how beautiful this is. The backsplash is beautiful. Let me take a close up. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at the countertop. This thing is massive, okay? Massive. Anyway, I will not be on the way of the workers working. Love the back door, the massive lanai. Oh, I love it.